Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to create a simple AI chatbot using Python. So chatbots are computer programs designed to simulate conversations with human users, and they are becoming increasingly popular in various industries. It's very rare now that you log on to Amazon, for example, and you would actually send a message to a person, and it's very rare that you'd actually speak to a person on any e-commerce website at the moment because chatbots tend to have taken over. So we're going to create a really simple chatbot that can respond to users' queries. So I'm also going to show you a new piece of software or a new text editor called Anaconda. Anaconda is a download from the internet. You can still use VS Code if you want to. I'm just going to switch up slightly and show you a different editor. So I'm going to click on Jupyter Notebook, which is this one, and when I click on that, it launches in the internet like this. So this is my files. These are all my files on my computer, and it's taking me to my OneDrive. And I'm going to click on New Python 3. And just give it a second to load up, and it looks very similar to this. So we can still run it, so we hit the run button to run it in Python. We can type things, we can add extra modules, and it's just a new version. So it's just a different version. We are still using Python 3, and we are still going to go through the process. So the first thing we need to do is we need to install a library. So we first of all make sure you've got Python installed, choose your editor, create your file, save your file. But we're going to install a library called Natural Language Toolkit, or the NLTK library. It's a popular Python library for working with human language data, so we can install it by running the following command. So pip install NLTK, and I'm just going to hit run. Now my Python is working, so my Python interpreter is working. So I've already got it installed, which is absolutely perfect. So let's get started. So I'm going to import. I'm just double checking you can see. I think I am just going to zoom you in. There we go. You should be able to see a little bit better. So import NL, I can never do this right, NLTK. And I'm just going to hit the run button and just check it's satisfied. So we're good, we're liking this. And then I'm going to do nltk.download, and I want to download the PUNKT, and then I'm also going to do nltk, and I want you to .download WordNet, like that. And then I'm just going to also do from NLTK, can you please do the chat, and .util, and I want you to import chat and reflections. And then we're going to run it and make sure that all of those are satisfied. So it's going to download some things for me. Keep going, it'll take a minute. There we go, all sorted. So now we can get on to the good stuff. So I'm going to create my pairs. So I'm going to create all of the code first, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to explain it, because I feel like sometimes the coding doesn't actually make, the theory doesn't make sense until you actually code it yourself. So let's do pairs. So these are things where conversations, so if we say hello, hi there, things like that, it's going to have a response. So I'm going to type it out pairs. I'm going to set that to equal, and then I'm going to put hi. Okay, and then I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to say do that, and I'm going to go hello, exclamation mark, and I've forgotten my speech marks there, like that, and then my, do that. I'm working on a 60% keyboard, and I'm really just getting used to where all of these keys are, like that, for example. And then I'm going to type hello there, like that, and then I'm going to go do it again, and this time actually I'm going to keep aside there, and I'm going to type the word actually no, right, I'm going to type these out, and then I'm going to come back because I will be here. There, right, I've typed them out. So all I've done is I've said hi, hello, hi there, how can I help you? That's pair 1. Hello, hi there, how can I help you? That's pair 2. How are you? I'm doing well, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. I'm good, thank you. That's pair 3. What is your name? My name is Chatbot. I am Chatbot. You can call me Chatbot, and then bye, goodbye, see you later, take care. So the final thing that we need to do is we need to do chatbot equals chat pairs reflections, and then we need to do chatbot dot converse like that. And let's run it. So we're going to type something in like hello. It said hi there. We'll type how are you. It said I'm doing well, thank you. We say what is your name? My name is Chatbot. How old are you? Now there might not be an answer this. None, so it can't answer it. So it is a very simple chatbot, but let's go through some of the code. So the first step is we import the necessary libraries. So we've installed we've installed NLTK, and then we've installed the necessary libraries that we need. We've installed the NLTK and the chat from the NLTK chat module. We've also imported reflections dictionary, which contains a set of predefined reflections that we can use to personalize a chatbot's response. So that's these here. The next thing is we defined a list of pairs where each pair consists of a user's input and a list of possible responses. So this is a user's input and these are a list of possible responses. So if we type this in again, if we run it again and we type hi, they've said how can I help you instead of how are you or hi there. So if the user enters hi, we have the option of how can I help you. We then create an instance of the chat class, so we pass in the pairs and reflections, so we give all this information, pass it all into the variable called chatbot, and then we ask the chatbot converse, which is a method installed in NLTK, and we ask it basically to start the conversation. So if we start another conversation, we put hello, hi there, how are you? I'm doing well, thank you. What is your name? You can call me Chatbot. Hi, Chatbot. Hello. So this can continue. So as you can see, our chatbot is able to respond to user queries and it is able to generate responses based on their predefined pairs. You can keep answering these. So we can create another pair. So if I copied this, paste it in here, and instead of what is your name, I can put how old are you? And it can say I do not age. It can say 34. I can say too old. Let's see what happens there. So let's run it again. So we'll stop it and then we'll run it again. I think I've just ended my terminal, so I need to go through the whole thing again. So run that again. There we go. That's the only problem with Anaconda. So I'm going to put hello, hi there, how old are you? I do not age. So we can have as much fun of this as you can, and you can keep adding and adding and adding. So in conclusion, we've created a chatbot. We have looked at creating a very simple chatbot using Python. We covered the basics of NLTK, we defined a list of pairs, and then we created an instance of the chat class, which is this section here. And then we implemented the chatbot. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to customize a chatbot to suit your needs, even if it's just to play around and see what it can do. Thank you for watching and happy coding.